Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some math problem posted on Facebook. And special credits to Yusuf Yaqub for sharing this wonderful question. So let's start. Here's the question. If given z plus 1 over z is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2, then find the value of z raised to 2020 plus 1 over z raised to 2020. Now if you want to try this problem, just pause this video, and if you're ready, here's the solution. Now, given that z plus 1 over z is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now, let z is equal to cosine theta plus I multiplied by sine theta. It follows that z raised to n is equal to cosine of n times theta plus I multiplied by sine of n times theta. Now, z raised to negative n is equal to cosine of negative n times theta plus I sine of negative n times theta. Now, since cosine is an even function, cosine of negative n theta is equal to cosine of n times theta. And sine is an odd function, therefore, sine of negative n multiplied by theta is equal to negative sine of n times theta. Therefore, z raised to negative n is equal to cosine of n times theta minus I sine of n times theta. Now, adding these two equations, we get z raised to n plus z raised to negative n is equal to 2 times cosine of n times theta. Thus, z raised to n plus 1 over z raised to n is equal to 2 times cosine of n times theta. Now, let n is equal to 1 and we get z plus 1 over z is equal to 2 times cosine of theta. Now, since z plus 1 over z is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, we can say that 2 times cosine theta is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Divide both sides by 2, we get cosine theta is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 4. Now, it is a well-known value that cosine of 36 is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 4. Therefore, theta is equal to 36 degrees. Now, keep in mind that theta is equal to 36 degrees and we have z raised to n plus 1 over z raised to n is equal to 2 times cosine of n times theta. Now, let n is equal to 2020. We have z raised to 2020 plus 1 over z raised to 2020 is equal to 2 times cosine of 2020 times theta. Now, since theta is equal to 36, we get 2020 times 36. Simplify, we get 360 times 202. Now, notice that the angle is a multiple of 360 degrees. Now, cosine of an angle which is multiple of 360 degrees is equal to 1. Therefore, it becomes 2 times 1 or simply 2. Therefore, 2 raised to 2020 plus 1 over z raised to 2020 is equal to 2. And we're done.